Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is a creative and relaxing art. It is made by decorating fabric using a needle and colorful threads. Even simple cloth can look amazing with embroidery. Many people love this craft because it is easy to learn and very enjoyable. Embroidery has been used for many years in different cultures. People decorate dresses, dupattas, saris, shirts, baby clothes, cushion covers, tablecloths, and even bags. Handmade embroidery always looks special, beautiful because it is handmade with time and care. Let's talk about some popular hand embroidery designs. First is the floral designs. Flowers are the most loved embroidery pattern. You can stitch roses, sunflowers, daisies, and small leaves. Flower designs look soft and beautiful. They are perfect for dresses and home decor items. Second is the leaf and vine designs. This pattern is simple and elegant. Long vines with small leaves look great on borders and sleeves. This is a good choice for beginners because it is easy to style. Next is the traditional design. Traditional embroidery often has been bright colors and delicate pattern. These designs are stylish and easy to make. Another popular idea is the geometric design. Geometric patterns use simple shapes like lines, triangles, circles. They look modern and neat. These designs are great for cushion covers and table runners. Now let's talk about some basic embroidery stitches. The running stitch is the simple stitch. It is perfect for beginners and used for outline. The back stitch makes clean and strong lines. It is good for writing names or making borders. The satin stitch is used to fill shapes like flowers and leaves. It gives a smooth and shiny look. The chain stitch looks like small loops joined together. It is very popular in traditional embroidery. The French knot is a tiny knot that adds texture. It looks like small dots and is great for flower center. Hand embroidery has many benefits. First, it helps you relax. Stitching shows slowly can reduce stress and make you feel calm. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.